Hey, what's up, you guys? And nothing much. Hey, you guys want some free cash?
No.
Are you serious?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. I just don't want it.
I just.
But it's free.
No, I'm good.
Okay, man. All right. Appreciate you. What's good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in again. This is Boss Odyssey, back at it again with another video. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hopefully you're already subscribed. If not, what the heck are you waiting for? I'm gonna be talking about ways to make money, ways to make passive income, and just overall self-improvement, period, as we boss up. But this is following up on yesterday's video. I said I would put you guys on a money tip, and I did say that I would be giving out free money. Well, it's not exactly that, but it's the next best thing. So we're gonna be talking about today is Picoin. So I don't know if you've heard of it or not, but what Picoin is, it's a new cryptocurrency. Well, it's been around for a couple of years. Gaining steam, currently has about 17 million members, and they are currently in stage 2. And I'm saying that because that's the reason why I'm telling you guys, is that they plan on going so far into phase 3 once it hits 100 million users. So right now we're at 17. It started to be with 10, but it's been going so well, they said, okay, you know what, we're gonna up it to 100 million users. And really, I honestly thought I might have been too late. I didn't want to put you guys on this tip if you guys were only going to get, a couple of days, because there was actually a timer in there saying that it was going to end sometime early this week. It would have ended, but now it's up to 100 million users. There's plenty of time. Well, depending. I mean, there might be some heavy hitters as far as getting more people on board. But I'm just doing my part. So what if I told you that literally all you have to do is click one button every day? Just wake up or have your certain time carved out, whatever, 10 seconds every time, 5-10 seconds. You click that button, boom, you're mining a cryptocurrency on your phone. So, a couple things to go over. It currently does not have a value. It currently is not traded on the market. But there was a time when these cryptos did not have a value. You have to be an early adopter. Let me tell you a story. When Bitcoin first came out, Satoshi had the Genesis block of Bitcoin. He moved the client onto SourceForge. I'll probably have a more in-depth video on the ins and outs of Bitcoin, how it works, and what all is going on with that. But, it's crazy that what gives things its value. I was telling my girlfriend this the other day. There was a point in time where everything was free trade. It's like, hey, you got eggs? Cool. I've got cows. So how about I give you some milk and you give me some eggs? That was the way things rocked for a little while. And then in creating currency, it's like, hey, so this is universal. I don't have milk, but I do have this paper that I can give you that you can buy anything with. And I'm pretty sure when that first started, that they thought that was stupid as hell. What the hell am I gonna do with this piece of paper? And there were naysayers about all the cryptocurrencies. Heck, there are still naysayers in the cryptocurrencies. And then you see the progress, it's like, man, it's too late, it's too late, it's too late. So now you don't even have to worry about money being an issue. All you have to do is just click the button. Okay, so just wanted to give a brief overview of the actual app itself. So here you can see the mining schedule and how at the top of the mark we're earning 0.2 pi per hour. That will eventually be halved, something that all of the cryptocurrencies do as far as maintaining value. But here it's to, create that scarcity so that we can create the value. Also up at the top, you can see the balance. It's probably been about 2 weeks, I believe, and I've already got 117.9 pi as of the recording of this video. I think right now I'm already, over 124, like right under 130 somewhere. It's a little bit more functionality within the app. Some things that you can do, like you can chat, you can speak directly to your earning team or send a ping if you see someone isn't mining. There's frequently asked questions, the white paper where you can see all the information that you need to see how things are going to be handled, and as well as the roles. So on this screen, you can see the breakdown of how you get to that actual 0.2 pi in total. It's actually a combination of different things. So when you first start, you're already going to get one entire pi just for joining, because it's invite only, and the referral code will always give you 1 pi. So you do start off with 1, but you do have a smaller rate of earning. So as you can see here, you start off as a pioneer earning only 1/10 of a pi an hour. But then after 3 consecutive mining sessions, then you get an additional 0.06 of a pi. And then finally you become an ambassador, where you get, your bonus for each additional member on your earning team. So you're pretty much getting 0.04 or 0.04 of a pi per extra person. And do keep in mind, you only get these bonuses when the rest of your team is mining. Speaking of your earnings team, they also serve a vital function of being able to prove and verify that you are who you are and that you are a real person. Once PiCoin hits mainnet, any users that aren't verified by real people will be automatically deleted and those accumulated pi destroyed. So if you were coming up with any type of scheme to make 100 accounts and multiply your earnings, forget about it. They've already thought about it, and that measure is in place to maintain the value of the coin when it does achieve a value. Other things you'll see in the app would be the frequently asked questions, the white paper, and the plans for the computer side of the mining, which we'll be releasing later on, which would be the nodes. So that's not too bad if you ask me. So I'm all in. I'm mining every single day. The platform is invite only, so I will be putting that in the description. I mean, you literally can try to get in if you want to, but you're going to end up using either my name or someone else's, so might as well be your best bro. Just saying. But there's a lot more coming out, a lot more tips, a lot more strategies. I really am investing in myself every day, trying to make sure I can be as knowledgeable as possible when coming with you guys, and really just trying to help raise everyone up to be financially independent, have strong, healthy businesses, and strong, healthy, fulfilling lives, man. So we're all about positive energy, and as I always say, let's boss up.